Hello guys, you are welcome again to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you a site that allows you to earn money online. Alright, you can earn up to 10k per day doing this business. Okay, I can tell you it's a legit business that is open to all Nigerians. Okay, all Nigerians, you can use this platform to earn up to 10k per day, depending on how serious you are with this platform. Okay, and the good thing about them is that it's open to all, irrespective of your age, your qualification, your background, your educational background. Is all of these are irrelevant as far as you are willing to work and put all the things in, all the necessary things, you can achieve the result. Okay, by the way, my name is Amazin Etiosa. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe and also make sure you turn on that notification bell for you to get notified whenever new videos like this are posted. Okay, without wasting much time, I will drop the link in the description of this video. Okay, so I'll drop the link on that. And while we're talking about it, let's go and let me show you this particular website. The website is called vtuservice.com. vtuservice.com is a platform that allows Nigerians to pay for their utility bills, buy data, buy airtime, and do all necessary transaction online. Okay, like as you can see, this is my dashboard here. This is my dashboard, and for so far so good, I've been using this, and currently you can see my balance. I have about 1,000 naira left. Okay, so first let me show you the unique thing about this platform. Now let's look at it. The one thing that every Nigerian, irrespective of your age and qualification, needs right now is called data. Data is one thing that whether you have eaten or not, you must make sure your phone has a data. Now let me show you one thing about them. If you click on data, or let me log in, let me log in. All right, let me just log in. Okay, good. Let me log in. All right, good. If you come to data, all right, currently MTN, and now you select the network. If you come over, you click on Airtel. All right, click on SM. Okay, I'm coming. Let me just check the pricing. Let me go to dashboard first. Okay. All right, if you come to the dashboard, you can see where it says buy data. All right, let's. All right, so if you come over to your dashboard here, you come to buy data. All right, if you come to buy data, you select the network. Let's say MTN, for example. I come here and I click on corporate gifting. All right, then you can see where it says select plan. Now, if you look at this, you can see that as low as 180 naira, you can buy data for 500 MB. With as low as 290, you can buy 1 gig. With as low as 580, you can buy 2 gig, like that. Now, here is the business side of it. You can come to this place and sign up. Come to this place here, sign up, and start advertising on your WhatsApp and the rest of them, that you can help people buy data for as low as, even though you are charging 500 naira per 1 gig, or even like this one is selling for 290. Even though you are charging 300 naira or 350 or 400 per 1 gig, you have lots of customers, because a lot of persons are looking for way to buy cheap and affordable data. So if you come here, you sign up, for every one of them that come to you, they pay you. You come here, you can top up their data. All right, this is not all. You can buy data for your clients. All right, you can also, let me go to the dashboard again. Let me go to the dashboard. You can buy data. You can see Airtel top up. You can buy data. You can even pay for electricity. All right, electricity, you can pay for cable subscription. And the good thing about them is that they are very, very affordable. They are very, very affordable. Okay, you can print recharge card. You can even do bulk SMS. You can do bulk SMS here. You can check results. And the thing is, all these things, all this platform, all in one, you can operate them via your mobile phone. You don't need a shop, you don't need a store, you don't need an office. You can operate this thing via your mobile phone. You can design a simple graphics. All right, you can go to Canva, for example, and design a simple graphic showing that you sell data, you sell bulk SMS, you sell electricity bill, cable subscription, and just add a little of, okay, 1,000 naira, 500 naira on top of each of these transactions you make, and a day, because Nigerians are using data. All right, every day Nigerians are using data. So if you can come up with this business idea I'm showing to you now, you can start paying for this thing and getting your own return. Now, once you create an account on this platform, all right, if you create an account on this platform, this which I will drop the link in the description. Once you create your account on this platform, an account will be set up for you automatically. Right, like as you can see, this is my own account. If I make payment to this account, automatically it will reflect in my dashboard, just like what you are seeing here. My balance is 1,000 plus, so you can fund your own directly. It will reflect on your own account. Whether you are paying with a nine payment service or Sterling, you can see that there. You can see Wema Bank, you can see Money Point, right? You can see Money Point. This, all of these are my own personal accounts. Okay, so the same thing, if you also create your own account, you create your own account on this platform, an account will be set up for you where you can make payment directly to your own account with as little as 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira. You can fund your account here and start buying data for people. All right, you can charge as low as 500 naira, 1,000 naira for, depending on the gig, depending on the gig. Like I said here, let me show you again in case you can see it now. So I select the network MTN, come to corporate gifting, then I select the plan. Look at the various plan. With as low as 5,900, you can get 20 gig. 11,000 naira you can get, and this is way cheaper compared to what you have on all of these platforms like MTN, Airtel, and the rest of them. If you go to their platform, they are quite more expensive compared to what you are seeing here. All right, so this is an opportunity for you to earn up to 10,000 naira, 5,000 naira every day, every month using this platform. Okay, it's easy to sign up. I will drop the link for you, for those of you who are interested in starting this business. You can sign up on the link and start implementing what you have here. All right, so you can see where it says buy airtime, utility payment, fund wallet. You can fund your wallet, right, via any of this platform. Okay, all right, you can see the pricing. They have pricing there. Let me see. Okay, you can see the pricing. All right, you have so many things you start to benefit. Basically, these are the things Nigerians are using on a daily basis. They buy airtime, they buy data, they pay for utility, their cable subscription, their NEPA bills, they buy bulk SMS. You can render all of these services to people and start making your money as soon as possible. All right, so this is an opportunity. If you are out there looking for a way to earn money online, you can sign up on this platform and start following up the process one after the other. All right, hope you got value from this short video clip. And in case you are trying to implement this, you're having any challenge, kindly reach out to me via the comment section or send me a message on my WhatsApp, and I'll be glad to respond to you all. Okay, guys, thank you for staying to the end of this video. See you in my next video.